It arrived.
Okay, it took all day, but FedEx finally delivered my iPhone 11 Pro Max in midnight green. All right, let's get to the unboxing. What's up everyone, it's Jason here with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the video. If you're new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos I release. On our channel, we try to give you the best, super awesome unboxing and tech reviews. So today, we're gonna unbox the iPhone 11 Pro Max in midnight green. Okay, here she is. Let me get my trusted unboxing knife. All right. Oh, I've been so excited. I've been waiting for this thing and waiting. And I kept thinking to myself, I heard a couple people, they're like, hey, you order it from the Apple store so you can just go pick it up. But I wasn't smart enough and I ordered it from AT&T. So it took till about 2 o'clock today to get here. But let me be quiet and let's get it going. All right, I like the box. They tried to do a little Apple-esque kind of thing with the different kind of like text and stuff. I like it though. Very nice. All right. Very nice. Bam, there she is. And then the rest of the stuff in the box is just activate and return labels and all kind of stuff. And I don't think I'll be returning it. Put that to the side. Oh, I got the 256 gig. And it is looking very, very nice. From the box, guys, from the box. All right. Let me complete that. Nice. Take that off to the side. All right. Let me do my normal little shake it till you get that little satisfaction. Pop. Boom. There it goes. Oh, y'all. This is nicer than when you see it on the YouTube or any videos. I mean, wow. That matte black. That midnight green is nice. Just all matte. I'm used to matte black everything, but this is very nice. Okay. All right. Put this to the side here and go in here. Let me see. This is just the documentation, guys, as always, SIM ejection tool. Let me see. Apple stickers. Nice. Let me see. Oh, this, like I always say, guys, this is the documentation. It's the information you got to read because you have to know how to use your phone. So I'm gonna put this to the side, like we always do, and read it a little later. All right, you get the ear pods with the lightning cable. No adapter anymore. I see. Guess we don't need it. I got AirPods and Bluetooth headphones like crazy. We don't need that anymore. The fast charger, first time ever, Apple, nice. USB cable, and that is, USB-C to lightning cable, nice. All right, I get back to the phone, peel it off, nice, power on. Ooh. Put it right here for you guys. Oh, I'm glad it had power because, sometimes, as I say in my other unboxings, things used to not come with power, so you'd have to charge them up. But, all right, guys, that's my unboxing, and I'm going to get a full review going so you guys can find out all about the phone and all the features. Later today, I'm going to drop a video on iOS 13 and my top features, so be looking out for that. Before you go, if you found value in this video, please smash that like button and leave me a couple comments. It really helps me and the channel out, and it's just an awesome thing to do. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.